There is a big change coming in the world which will change the normal life of the people, and this change is called Metaverse. Scientists have been researching the Metaverse for many years, and it is now in its final stages of discovery. Ordinary people have questions in their minds about this Metaverse. In today's video, we will learn about the Metaverse of the changing world. Metaverse is a technology that allows you to catch, do, eat, taste, or travel anywhere in the online world. At present, we use our name and profile picture wherever we create an account on Facebook, YouTube, or Google. But when you make your account with this new technology, a virtual body of your own will be created there, and this virtual body will let you know the feeling from being connected to your brain, with the help of a device or glasses. Suppose you choose a dress online, then in your virtual body, you can see after this dress how you look. If you are abroad and there is an event in your family in the country, you can join this event with your virtual body. While in the virtual world, you will be able to receive any of your incoming calls or videos. You can go to the biggest stadiums in the world and play with your friends or famous players. You can easily play football, chess, or surf in the seawater with your friends. If you want, you can get lost on the seafloor, and you can see the beauty there with your own eyes. Whenever you want, you can go around the world with a virtual body, and enjoy the infinite beauty of the world. At home, you can join the virtual body in an office meeting, in the gallery on the field to watch a game, on the stage of a music concert, or in the jungle or space. Suppose you want to read a book sitting in a library in America, you can easily get there and read with this technology. You will be able to appear in the concert of the biggest songs of the world in the blink of an eye, and dance with them and become one. A new revolution will come in the world of video gameplay. With the virtual body of your own profile, you will be able to fight on your own with the enemy side, which will give you the experience of entering a truly new world. Thousands of gaming competitions, including racing, can be done virtually with your acquaintances. Suppose one of your friends can't find a way to get anywhere. Nowadays people use Google Maps, but then you can go there yourself, and show your friend the way to the destination. This new technology in the field of engineering will be able to give people more perfect ideas. What an installation will look like after being created can be seen virtually before creating anything. Metaverse in astronomy will usher in a new world, and this science will become much more accessible to human beings. The planets, the satellites, the moon, the sun, everything will be real to human eyes, and will start a new polarization in the study of this subject. In addition to astronomers, ordinary people can also benefit from knowing new information on this subject. Metaverse technology in medicine will give the idea of the perfect disease cure. Sitting at home, you can take the treatment of a doctor thousands of miles away. This technology will be most useful in human operations. Doctors will be able to perform accurate and perfect operations with the help of virtual hands from a distance. This technology will give a new impetus in the field of virtual design and decoration. Your own world can be filled with color and beauty, which will become a new tool for making money for content creators. In the case of musical instruments, people will be able to pick up the tunes they want with virtual instruments without using conventional instruments. Metaverse technology will also change the world of children's play, with video games as well as a variety of virtual toys. Young children can play at home, and anyone, including their parents, can participate in the game from a distance. In the near future technology of Metaverse, people will be able to move various items of their home from virtually any distance, and even from outside. They will be able to cook at home in no time. A device or glasses will be attached to your brain while operating the virtual body. Your body will feel the same sensations of pleasure, pain, fun, taste, smell, or feeling that you get in the virtual body. As a result, everything will feel alive and normal to you. Even virtually you can choose your own look and style. Metaverse is coming to change people. It will have some good aspects as well as some bad ones. One of which is that free sex will increase worldwide. People will be able to engage in free sex with virtual bodies on porn sites. Above all, people will become more mechanical and inhuman. Everything may seem unreal and imaginary to you, but it is real. Such is the world to come.